Hey guys, Terry, welcome back for a new episode. Virgin snowfall, no snow trucks, so let's do some four-wheel driving in a fresh Michigan snow. Let's go. Put that camera there. I love letting people know that 4Runners come alive in bad weather, and I'm fixing to show you guys that that is so true. And I'm just gonna do a quick wipe here. Again, this is like a fresh snowfall. One tip I can give already is make sure that you use your windshield wiper de-icers. Just turn them on immediately when you hop in your truck like this. And I've told people before too that 4Runners warm up pretty quickly. Yes! All right, so let's do this. All right, rock and roll. Got that. Oh, this is cool. I am so excited. Just gonna knock this snow off and jump in and go. Okay, so right now the truck is in two-wheel drive high. I just ran out the door when I saw this snow. So let me get in the driver's side door here. Ta-da! A little bit of snow. Do that. Doesn't hurt the interior. Okay, hop in here. Fire it up. Over here is your windshield wiper de-icer, which will help with this area at the bottom of the windshield. Turn on the mirror and window defrosters, and let's give this puppy a minute and we'll get going. And here, turned over 10,000 miles today. Nice achievement. Truck is 2 years old. We've got 10,005 miles on it, but we crossed 10,000 miles today. Truck still runs like day one.
More moments later.
Okay, we're letting the wipers clear the snow. Okay, rock and roll.
Whoa, whoa. Baby steps, please.
Definitely not plowed back here. Here we go. Yeah, so quick chance here to say thank you guys for your subscriptions. Make sure that you hit like so this video goes more out into the algorithm. For you new people here, we're an automotive and motorcycle channel. Please subscribe. We'll appreciate that, and you so much for doing that. And we do videos like this. We base them around our 4Runner, our Lexus GX460, our two motorcycles, a Honda Goldwing and a Rocket 3 GT Triumph. And oh, look where we are at. This is my buddy Greg, Classic Appreciation right here. This is where this truck was polished a month or two ago. Right here, Classic Appreciation. There's that. What I'm looking for here is a slice of no plow, crappy roads, four-wheel drive high, stock factory tires, and we're going over the bridge here that we just drove over. Doing this, okay. Let's see where he's going here. I'll follow the traffic here. There is a police car covered in snow. Now here, look around me. I'm at a dead stop on a hill. You guys ready? Right here. Dead stop on a hill, nose pointing up. This truck just drove right through it. And we've got a law enforcement vehicle in front of us. There's the bridge that we came in on there, right? And it's all backed up. I actually haven't been on this road in a while. Let's just see where it takes us. And I'm doing more of an out the front window view for you guys so you can see what I'm dealing with from a situational perspective. Four-wheel drive high, back underneath this bridge. Okay, very, very nice. And my windshield wiper defroster timed out, so I'm gonna throw it back on. I like leaving it on when it gets like this because snow packs down here quite a bit on literally any vehicle. All right, now I'm gonna go up to version. Who knows where I'm going? Alrighty. Okay, check this out. Let's floor it. There it is. This is so cool. Easily doing 15. We're doing 2 miles an hour over. So if you're on the market and are considering the 4Runner, 5th generation 4Runner, please get one. The capabilities and everything are world class, as well as the quality. Let me just come out here. I'll just give everyone the big, we're gonna go by the semi truck again. I tried to help. Right there, four-wheel drive high. Baby. Oh, nice. Now this looks like a two-wheel drive Silverado in front of me, so this should be interesting. Alrighty. The landscaping truck is four-wheel drive for sure. Okay, I just turned the defrost stuff back on. This is stop and go on an upward hill. You can already see people here using their flashers, and I'll drop the window again. Down here. It's pretty bad snow, people. So for me, you know, 4Runners are in that mid-level price point, 40s to low 50s if you don't get a TRD Pro. The TRD Off-Road Premium is the choice you can make with some TRD stuff on it and take it from there. You'll save a lot of money. But this kind of capability, right, even if you're not into the minor details of what makes a 4Runner so great, you know, just knowing, imagine you just got off of work, or you had to go to the hospital to see a relative, or there was some kind of urgent situation with your children, and this was happening right now. You would be able to get there confidently and, you know, quicker, except for stop and go traffic. I've got some snow coming in the window here. No worries, this is all waterproof stuff. Got rubber floor mats, a little bit of melted snow, never hurt a thing. You can see here that the defrostable mirrors work as advertised on both sides. They are clear. Running the rear windshield wiper on intermittent, very slow speed, no issues. No issues at all. So let me talk more. Right now, with all this inclement weather, super heavy snowfall going down, snow trucks, snow plows not on the road yet. They are at private businesses. This truck feels like a bank vault. I feel safe. And if I need to drive around people and not sit still, I'm gonna do it in this truck. Same way that semi truck sat back there in the middle of the road. And I may just do it now if this guy in front of me doesn't move. Beating the system. Okay, I'm beating the system because traffic is at a standstill. There you go. Look at that, right up the middle. The normal rules do not apply. Now the snow is really heavy here. Oh boy. Now this Camaro is in really bad shape. Check that out. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. And he spent more on that than I probably spent on this truck. Look at that. So here we got another truck that cannot make it up this hill. It's a semi. And so what I basically did was go around the problem in even worse conditions than the main road here, which is really bad. And I'm back on my way home. Yeah, I mean, get a fifth-gen 4Runner before it's too late. Here are turning. I want you to see this. There's the nose of our truck, and here we go. Come around like this. Look at that. Woohoo! No issues. Okay. The greatest points I can make is that if you get hung up on fuel economy, you're making a mistake. It's about your total ownership cost of owning a vehicle. Resale value, cost of insurance, the quality and durability of the vehicle. How many recalls are there going to be? How much time are you going to waste due to a recall or something stupid you got to fix because it wasn't assembled very well or had cheap components? That is not the case with the 5th generation 4Runner. When you factor all that stuff in, who cares about fuel economy? I don't, and right now it's showing 16.9 in 4-wheel drive high. Could be because I've got a TRD cold air intake cleaner on the V6. Could be because I use 89 octane religiously. It doesn't matter. What a great truck. What a great truck. There's nothing else I'd want to be in right now. All right, guys, let's do our wrap up, okay? Like I said, just got home, leaving it 4-wheel drive high because I'll have to drive out of a buried truck after the plow trucks come through here. I'll just leave it 4-wheel drive high parked and drive right through whatever's blocking the truck when I drive it again. Well, that's easy. Okay guys, here's our truck post snowstorm dash. Just got home. How's that for you? Get yourself some 4Runner right there. And I'm sure it'll be covered in snow soon. The snow's coming down so hard right here. It's true. It's true. I miss the salt life. Here's my Air Force license plate. And here's how it looks over here. So this truck is a Warrior. Dependable, rugged as F. Just a snow beast. Right here. Go like that. You can still see there's some heat inside the truck here. And here's how the front's looking. Another top tip here. These Yoda Raptor lights really increase the safety perspective in terms of other people seeing you. Let me back up now. Okay, let's wrap it up. Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode. This was fun. Early evening during a winter snowstorm. Thank you for your likes. Make sure you guys do hit like again. That'll help the videos we make in the algorithm. I know a lot of you do already. For guys that are new here, we really enjoy having you. Just remember to be safe out there no matter what kind of vehicle you have. Do your best, be kind to each other. And until our next episode, we think of you. See you guys.